beneath the African Baobab. In a remote African village nestled beneath the grand branches of an ancient baobab tree lived a wise elder named Mwamba. The village revered Mwamba for his profound wisdom and the knowledge he had acquired over many years. One evening, under the vast African sky, villagers gathered around the baobab tree, seeking Mwamba's guidance. The village faced a great challenge. Their water source was slowly drying up, leaving the community in peril. Mwamba, with his long white beard and gentle eyes, sat down, leaning against the baobab's colossal trunk. He began to tell stories of resilience, unity, and the strength of the human spirit. He spoke of a time long ago when a drought had plagued the land. The villagers had come together, devising ingenious ways to conserve water and support each other. They had survived the drought, emerging stronger as a community. Inspired these stories, the villagers took Mwamba's wisdom to heart. They formed a water conservation committee, implementing measures to reduce water usage and devising a plan to dig wells to ensure a sustainable water supply. Months passed, and their hard work bore fruit. The village not only overcame the water crisis, but also grew into a shining example of cooperation and resilience. Their story spread far and wide, inspiring neighboring communities to follow their lead. The wisdom shared beneath the African baobab had ignited a movement. Mwamba's chronicles had become a beacon of hope, reminding people that even in the face of adversity, collective wisdom, unity, and determination could lead to a better tomorrow. The African baobab stood tall, not only as a symbol of strength, but also as a repository of timeless wisdom and the hope of generations yet to come.